Morning students. Today we will start exercise 4.3, and this exercise is 4.3 is belongs to the topic when two adjacent side and three angles are known, then how to construct a quadrilateral. So two adjacent sides, that mean two sides which are joined with themselves, and three angles, that mean all the three angles which created with these two adjacent lines. Okay, so first question of exercise 4.3 is quadrilateral MOR, which we have to construct the following quadrilaterals. So first one I am taking quadrilateral MORE. In this quadrilateral there are given that, so these all sides MO equal to 6 centimeter, OR equal to 4.5 centimeter, and three angles, angle M equal to 60 degree, angle O equal to 105 degree, and angle R equal to 105 degree. So these three angles and these two adjacent sides were given, and we have to construct a quadrilateral MORE. So we have to construct quadrilateral. For this we need some geometrical things. First one is ruler, second one is divider or compass, एंड थर्ड वन इज प्रोटेक्टर. हिंदी में इसको स्केल या फिर स्केल ही बोलते हैं, इसको चांदा बोलते हैं और इसको प्रकार बोलते हैं. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट इमेजिन हाउ द क्वाड्रिलेटरल स्केच रफ डायग्राम विल बी. सो आई एम टेकिंग एम ओ इज देयर, then O is there, so R is that side and E is that side. So MORE is the quadrilateral, and rough sketch diagram is there. And angle M, that means this angle is of 60 degree. Angle O, that means this one is of 105 degree. Angle R is of 105 degree. And these two sides MO and OR, these are adjacent to each other, that means they joined each other at point O, and angle O is the angle between these two lines. Okay, now we have to construct the quadrilateral. So first of all we have to make MO equal to 6 centimeter with the help of scale and a pencil. Okay, MO equal to 6 centimeter. I taken MO equal to 6 centimeter with the help of scale. Name these as point M and O, and it is of 6 centimeter. Okay, now with the help of protector we have to construct an angle of 60 degree from point M. So put the protector at point M and start counting from there. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. 60 is there, so we are making an angle of 60 degree there. This is not of 120 degree, because if we started counting from that side then there will be 120 degree, but we started from this side, so this is the 60 degree angle. Okay, so we founded a point where point M making an angle of 60 degree. So match this point to M and this point with the help of scale and a pencil. So this is the angle M, which is of 60 degree. First part complete. Now second part, in point O there is angle O is equal to 105 degree. So second angle which we have to construct is angle O equal to 105 degree. So put the protector as like at point O and start counting from there. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 90, 100 and 105. Where is 105? Between 100 and 110. That means there. Sorry, there. Between 100 and 110 there is 105. So we are taking a point there and match these points with the point with O with the help of scale. So we got two angles 60 degree and of 105 degree. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to check anyone from this point to there or there to there. In this two distance, one distance is given in question, so whatever we which is given we have to make it. So there is O and R. In rough sketch we can see that there is a side OR, and value of OR, that means the distance from O to R is 4.5 centimeter, and O is there and R is something in that side. So we have to make uh, a measurement of 4.5 centimeter with the help of scale in our compass. 4.5 centimeter is there now. Now put the pointer of the compass at point O and draw an arc upside in the uh, angles line. Now this is the angles line, so we may write the name of these also, X and Y. Okay, so my is a ray, oy is a ray. So we cutted an arc of 4.5 centimeter in oy from point O. Okay, listen carefully again. We taken a measurement of 4.5 centimeter and uh, plotted our pointer of compass in point O and taken an arc of 4.5 centimeter on ray OY. And how can we get at this ray OY? By the construction of the angle 105 degree in point O. Okay, and we got a point there. Name this point as R because OR equal to 4.5 centimeter is given there. So O to R, distance from O to R is 4.5 centimeter is there. So we taken a point R there. Now we have to do one more thing to find the point E in this line, that where is the point E in this line. So we have to make one more thing. So see there, one more angle is given there, angle R equal to 105 degree. So we have to make an angle of 105 degree in point R. Okay, so for this we have to take portrait view of our copy. So there is a protector, put the protector on point R such that all these line is hide with the protector's baseline, and from 0 you have to start counting 0 10 20 90 till 90 is there, 110 100 110 is there. So we have to make an angle of 105 degrees. So there is the 105 degree. So we founded the point of angle R equal to 105 degree. Okay, so there is the point, and from R we have to make a ray upside with the help of a scale to match the point which we constructed by the protector to make 105 degrees angle, and write their angles name 105 degree. And there is the ray is up more side. Now take take more upside because in construction there will be larger side is there. So name this ray as Z, and this intersecting point is E. Name this intersecting point as E. Okay, after doing these all steps we got the quadrilateral MORE. This following shape is our quadrilateral MORE. And now we have to write the step of construction. So whatever we have done in this construction of quadrilateral we have to write. Firstly we taken an line segment of 6 centimeter, MO equal to 6 centimeter. Then by second step we have to construct an angle of 60 degree and of 105 degree from the point of M and O respectively. So from M with the help of scale at point M construct an angle of 60 degree, and at point O with the help of protector make an angle of 105 degree. These two things we have done in step second. Now in step third we have one side OR equal to 4.5 centimeter is given. So from point O make an arc of 4.5 centimeter in ray OY to get the OR equal to 4.5 centimeter, and we get the point R there. So OR equal to 4.5 centimeter. That means 3 points we got it, M, O and R in third step. Now in last step we have to find the fourth point of a quadrilateral, fourth vertex of a quadrilateral. So what we have to do, we have to check one more things what is given there. So there is angle r equal to 105 degrees given. So from point r make an angle of 105 degree from that side to and draw a line rz from point r to rz such as it intersect the point at there of previous taken ray mx there. Name this point as E. So you will get your quadrilateral MORE. Okay. Similarly, you can do question number second of this exercise. From question number third or fourth we will do tomorrow.